Hey, sweetheart, what are you working on in Scratch today?
Hi, Mom. I'm trying to make my sprite move smoothly to different places on the screen.
That sounds like a cool project. Have you heard about the go-to and glide blocks in Scratch?
No, not yet. What are they?
Well, the go-to block allows your sprite to instantly jump to a specific location on the screen. And glide block is like a smoother version. It makes your sprite glide smoothly to a destination.
Oh, that sounds interesting. How do I use them?
It's pretty simple. In Scratch, go to the Motion category in the Blocks palette. You'll find both the go-to and glide blocks there.
Found them. What do I do next?
Great! To use the go-to block, you just need to specify the x and y coordinates of the location you want your sprite to go.
What's that XY coordinates, Mom?
Imagine this white area is like a piece of paper. X is how far across the paper that means left or right. And y is how far up or down. So, if you say go to x 50, y 30, it means go to 50 steps to the right and 30 steps up. To go to the left side, we will use the negative value of x, like minus 50. And for the downside, we will use the negative value of y, like minus 30.
Oh, like a treasure map.
Exactly. If you want your cat in the middle, you can say x0, y0.
Okay, understand, Mom.
Now, try telling your cat to go to different places by changing those x and y numbers.
Like a little dance. X20, Y10, and X30, Y40.
That's the spirit. You're a coding dancer. And guess what? You can also make your cat slide smoothly to a spot using glide. It's like magic.
Really? How?
Just choose the glide block. Set where you want your cat to go with x and y, and also how long you want it to take. It's like saying, slide to x50, y30 in 2 seconds.
Whee! My cat can slide like a superhero.
Absolutely. You're turning into a Scratch superhero yourself. Keep playing with those coordinates and have fun with your cat's adventure.
Thank you so much, Mom. You're the best coding teacher ever.